Today we're going to take our samples out of our test box. These samples have been in here these 5 days here with this sample here. This is surface applied. This is our new product that we have tested several times now, and this would be our final test on it for approval to have it manufactured. This one on this side was a close runner-up, though we had a little more questions on that. So these two here are going to be the samples we're going to focus on. This is incorporated as well as this one was. So I've kind of taken the screws out of the form already so we can quickly take that apart and save time. I'm going to tip this up so you can kind of see for uniformity, and perhaps you can see that this has a more uniform color all the way to the bottom. This one's is topical applied, and it looks like it's more in the top 1.5 inches, which is what we expect with surface applied. So with that, we're going to see if we can pull one of these out of here. I'll get my screwdriver because they didn't lift out, and try to get my screwdriver under it, and it's stuck down there tight. Let's see if we can get down in here, get a little movement. Man. Okay. Come on, baby. Well, she is stuck. There we go. There we go. So this is our incorporated block. It's got good mix all the way through. We use our DeWalt battery powered drill and a 1-inch spade bit to do our simulated incorporation, but you can use a heavy disc, a drag, whatever you want to use. But that's a nice paver. You can see the crumbs in the bottom of the tray here where it's stuck to the bottom. This is after only 3 days, so if this was in here a few more days, you know, for maximum curing, I think we would. We have had in previous tests, I mean, this stuff was almost impossible to get out of there. So let's see what this surface applied does. There, that's moving out of there easier. And you can see a little more on the bottom of the tray. Maybe you can't, but there's some looseness on the bottom, which is to be expected with surface applied, though it is pretty tight all the way down through here. So then again, this is only been in there 5 days, so the longer it goes, the harder it gets. So pretty happy with that. But you'll notice that I thought the incorporation, which kind of surprised me, that it's actually a little darker in color in contrast. But you can put probably 3/4 of your Hawk Seale solution on your millings and then compact them and roll them, especially if you're incorporating it, and then come back and surface apply to get a little more black luster. Otherwise you can use just a conventional asphalt sealer for color. But the thing you're after is you're looking for the rejuvenation of the asphalt in the millings to rebond the aggregate to the asphalt, to create a hard, durable surface that won't track. It won't, you can see there's nothing coming off of that. I mean, a little demonstration with a screwdriver. Both of them, neither one of them shed anything at this point. And it'll stop the erosion. So erosion and tracking are the two main complaints about using millings. This will last probably, with good maintenance, you know, and taking care of it, probably as long as, we don't know, honestly, but it'll be comparable for cost. It's definitely going to be much better than hot asphalt for dollar spent, if you're doing it yourself especially. So with that, I'm going to sign off and go from there.